A type of pure substance is compound, which is formed when two or more atoms of different elements chemically combine. Now, a compound can be termed as a binary or tertiary or even polyatomic compound, depending on the number of atoms that is found in the molecule. So for